naman our beautiful ladies carrying 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I lost count. No manuwa po, ti agtuan dya kon banga. This dance depicts the villagers, the women fetching water at the spring. Ayan, that is of course siguro Tiwod Fertility Spring. You might have noticed na our dancers from Barangay Canao are wearing again, especially the ladies, a different loom weaving product of Lubuagan. That is what we call ilaglis. And a very few loom weavers at Mabilong knows how to weave this ilaglis. With the blouses of the ladies, dayta po iti makunkunamot nga sinambituon. It has been said that only the royal bloods of Lubuagan tikas lang ang makausar dita, especially with the royal blanket nga sinambituon. Okay, aside po dun sa Banga Dance, may dala din po ang Barangay Canao on Kalinga Rice. What we call Ilalago pa. Ayun, Ilalago pa. I believe that is a different taste of Kalinga Rice with that commonly known by our visitors on Inandila. But anyhow, that is equally tasteful, equally delicious with that of Inandila. And ladies and gentlemen, you have just witnessed ang ating Banga Dance of Barangay Canao. Another round of applause.